So these are like two main important factors, okay, so which impact each other, okay. So organization impact technology and technology impact organization. Which one is dependent and which is independent here?
The
Whether the
organizations depend on IT.
yeah, so organization is dependent on the IT basically, right? So this is like common, but but according to this diagram, both are interdependent. But usually, so when we show that which is dependent, so the arrow is like moving from this. It means so like arrow is going from here to here, okay, right? So information, the organization is dependent on the information technology over here. But there are some factors which called mediating factors. Mediating means which which like facilitate, which helps, okay, or which describes this dependency. So the dependency is because of these factors: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there are 6 mediating factors which describes, which like explains that why they're dependent on each other, right? So we discussed all these factors in the previous slide. So this might be one of the research for some of the people over there. So they have done that there is a higher dependency between each other.